Hello, this is the Trains Are Awesome Mama.
And today the Trains Are Awesome Mama, who is my lovely mother who makes videos for Trains Are Awesome sometimes, is in Madrid, the capital city of the Kingdom of Spain. And Madrid is a big city, so it's a good idea to take the subway to get around. The Madrid Metro opened in 1919, 101 years ago. Since then, the network has greatly expanded, and some of the stations have a very modern architecture. As you can see, there are quite a few people standing in line to buy tickets for the Madrid Metro. Most of the subway lines fall into one fare zone, so the tickets aren't too expensive. You tap on the gate, you walk through to the concourse. And this station where we're at is fairly big, some other stations are narrow. That is because the Madrid Metro has two different types of lines, narrow lines and wide lines. Today we'll mostly only be riding the wide lines, but I'll show you a narrow train towards the end. This train at the platform is one of the network's newest trains. It's a wide-body CAF 8400 series train. And the train we're about to get on is a CAF 8000, built in 2002. As we get on, one of the first things we notice is that while the exterior is white and blue, the interior focuses on the color green, especially that stripe on the doors is interesting. As the crowds pile into the train, sometimes the doors have a little trouble closing. We ride the train until Nuevos Ministerios station, where we go out to the surface a little bit to explore the city. Then it's back on a train. This is an Ansaldo Breda 7000 or a 9000 train. That train was a wide body. This is one of the narrow body trains I was telling you about. These trains are nicknamed the Bubble, and once you see the front of the train you'll understand why. And these run in the narrower subway tunnels of Madrid. Did you see the bubble-like shape? Anyways, to leave the station you don't need to tap your ticket against the sensors, they are motion censored. This was a brief introduction to the Madrid Metro. We hope you enjoyed. Let us know by liking this video, commenting, and of course subscribing to Trains Are Awesome. Thank you.